this cardigan. Show you how to make this cardigan, a matched cardigan. This is so easy. I work single the shell stitch around armholes and all the way to my cardigan. This is so simple to make. This is how it look like. And I added white color between these two black parts to give a simple touch. So I work this. I'm gonna show you how to make this. Okay, for this project I'm using 3mm crochet hook. So you can start this cardigan with any odd number. So I started with the chain of 201. This cardigan is 38 inches wide and 40 inches long. So you can start with the number or adjust with the size. So I started with the chain of 2, but I'm showing you on the smaller scale. So I started with the odd number of chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. 18, 19, 20, 21. So go to the 5th chain from the hook. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. The chain 3 count is first double crochet, and the chain 4 is a 1 chain space. So what we do next? Chain 1. Oops. Chain 1. Skip that one. Go to the next stitch. Skip this one. Go to the next stitch and work double crochet. Chain 1. Skip 1. Go to the next chain. Chain 1. Skip 1. Work double crochet the next one. So this is how we are doing. I'll work till the end. I'm coming back. Okay. I've done this. So simply chain 1 and turn. Go back to the same stitch and work double crochet. At this point we work on every double crochet. On every double crochet we work double crochet. On every chain we work chain. So there's chain 1. So every double crochet, or every double crochet we work double crochet, or chain we work chain. So this is chain, work double crochet. Again chain 1. Already skipped 1. So over chain we work chain, and over double crochet we work double crochet. Then chain 1. Again chain 1. Chain 1. Double crochet. Chain 1. Double crochet. Chain 1. go to the third chain from the hook. Oh sorry, third chain. This is the fourth one and this one is third. So we work again, chain 1, turn, work, go back to the same stitch and work double crochet, then chain 1 and work double crochet. So this is how we do all the way around till you reach to the length 40 inches, or according to your size we work like this. And so I'll show you the bigger piece. This is how I work. uh, so simply you can fold this. Sorry, it's not coming the whole piece in the camera. So simply fold this cardigan. So sewed them and leave 7 or 8 inches for armhole, and the remaining you can sew from both sides. So I sewed already this, and I work single crochet. I done this and I work single crochet all the way around, all the way across my cardigan, and make a shell stitch. I already did here, so I'm gonna show you at this piece, the other armhole. I already did my single crochet, so I'm gonna show you how to make a shell stitch. So here it is. I already worked. When you single crochet, join this with the slip stitch and go back to the same stitch and work single crochet. Now what we do next, skip the next 2 stitches, 1 2, go to third stitch, third single crochet and work 5 double crochet. Oops, 1 in the same stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again skip 2 stitches, 1 2, go to the third one and work single crochet. Again skip 2 stitches, go to the third one and work shell stitch, 5 double crochet in the same stitch, 2, 3. It is totally optional. If you want you can make, if you don't want, so that is okay. 5, skip 2, go to the third one and work single crochet. Again skip 2, go to the third one. So this is how I work all the way around my armhole and work shell stitch by skipping 2 stitch, working in the third stitch we make shell stitch, and then skipping the 2 stitch and we work single crochet. So 1 2 3 4 5, skip 2 again, and the third one I work single crochet. So this is how I'll working all the cross until I reach this point and join with the slip stitch. Okay, I have done this. I'm working this, so I will see you later, the shell stitch. So what I've done, I'll added white color yarn with this to give a little bit touch. So this is final. I worked the cardigan. This is the final. So it's simple, very simple and easy stitch to make. It is totally optional. You can if you want to make shell stitch, if you don't want, that's okay. So thank you for watching my video. And please do subscribe and like my video and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you so much.